This video, part 2 of lesson 6, explores the empires of faith, the rise of Islam, and the caliphates. Beyond the major empires, smaller states like Aksum and Himyar flourished, participating in long-distance trade. Their distinct Christian and Jewish religious identities deeply influenced their governments and cultures. Aksum, in modern Ethiopia, and Himyar, in modern-day Yemen, strategically dominated trade across the Red Sea, as shown on this map. At the end of antiquity, state-sponsored religion played a critical role in inter-empire relations. Many individuals identified more with their faith than with a specific location or empire. This wall painting from a 3rd century synagogue in Dura Europos depicts the finding of the infant Moses in the Nile River, illustrating the biblical themes found in ancient synagogues. Beyond the Mediterranean, diverse empires like the Kushan Empire in Central Asia and Palmyra in the Eastern Mediterranean flourished. Pre-Islamic Arabia was also culturally diverse, home to various religions and tribal groups. This rare silver coin shows Queen Zenobia of Palmyra. The map highlights the approximate locations of Arab tribes around 600 CE, who competed for regional control and were influenced by larger empires. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, often called Abrahamic faiths, share common traditions, including the worship of one God and the leadership of prophets like Abraham. He is revered for his commitment to monotheism. This illustration from al-Biruni's 14th century history depicts the prophet Abraham destroying idols. Abraham holds a significant place as a common ancestor in Jewish, Christian, and Muslim traditions. This timeline highlights key moments in the rise of Islam and the caliphates, from the revelation of the Quran to the establishment of Baghdad as a capital. In the early 7th century, a new world religion, Islam, meaning, quote, submission to the one God, emerged in Western Arabia. It shares features with Judaism and Christianity, while also having unique Arabian characteristics. The Hajj, the Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. This photo shows the sacred mosque in Mecca, with pilgrims surrounding the Kaaba. Following Muhammad's death, the first 4 caliphs, the Rashidun, oversaw significant territorial expansion. The new Islamic State quickly became the world's largest empire. This map illustrates the vast extent of the Islamic Caliphate under its first dynasty, the Umayyads, who ruled the world's largest empire during the 8th century CE. Through conquest, conversion, and coexistence, the early Abbasids forged a cosmopolitan empire centered in Baghdad. The Sunni and Shia denominations within Islam also began to form. This 13th century image shows students learning from a teacher in a library during the Abbasid period, depicting religious education and the role of the ulama as interpreters of Islamic law.